Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How do you feel today? My anticipation is well by the grace of Almighty Allah and me too. All of you are welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Abir Hussain Khan, assistant teacher in mathematics for day shift at National Ideal English Version School. Today I'm gonna take a mathematics class for class 3, and our today's topic is division and part 1. And which is included the syllabus of half yearly exam, and our lecture is 21 and HW is 19, is the same as this class. My dear student, first of all you have to know what is division. Division is a method to divide something into equal parts. Suppose there are 6 cookies and you have to divide this among 3 persons X, Y and Z. First of all, you give these cookies at X place, this one Y place, this one Z. Then the next one is X, Y and Z. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have already divided 3 groups of cookies, that means 3 and 3, in total 6 cookies among X and Y and Z person, and equally they got 2, 2 and 2 cookies. So my dear students, you have already understood that division is a method to divide something in equal parts. Now you know that normally this is a sign of division, but for solving divisional problem we will use another division sign, this one. And suppose here is 5 and here is 1. 5 is called dividend. 5 is called dividend and 1 is called divisor. And you have to remember that always dividend will be greater than divisor. But in this sign, in this place, you have to write the dividend and here is divisor. And the above of this sign and the above of this sign, here you have to write the answer. You have to write the answer, which is called quotient. Quotient. Hope my dear students you understood this one. Now suppose here is 5 cookies you have to divide these 5 cookies between 2 persons X and Y. First of all you give Mr. X cookies, then Mr. Y another cookies, then for X 1 and for Y 1. Here is 2 and 2. This is 4 cookies, but there have 5 cookies. So there is another 4 extra cookies. There is another 4 extra cookies. This extra is called remainder. This is called remainder. Now my dear students, go to the first question. 14 divide 5. Here 14 is dividend and 5 is divisor. Now write this way. Here is dividend 14 and here is divisor 5. Now you have to memorize the times table of 5. 5 times 1 equal 5. 5 times 2 equal 10. 5 times 3 equal 15. 5 times 4 equal 20. Look, there is no number which is 14, but here 15 is bigger than 14 and 10 is smaller than 14. So you have to use a number here 2. 5 2s are 10, because this number must be smaller than this one or equal than this one, but don't be greater than. Now subtract 10 from 14. Subtract 10 from 14. Here is 4. So you know that this is the remainder, this is the quotient, this is the dividend, and this is the divisor. So the answer is quotient is 2 and your remainder is 4. Hope my dear student you have understood this one. Now number C, 43 divide 7. Similar way you have to divide 43 and use this sign and put the divisor 7. Now again memorize the times table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 23, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6 are 42, 7 6 are 42, 7 5s are 35, 7 7s are 49. So here look, this is 70, 7 6 are 42 and here is 43. So you have to take here 6, 7 6 are 42. Now subtract 42 from 43, it will be 1. And the required answer is quotient six and remainder is 1. Now the next one, number B, 51 divide 3. 51 divide 3. Now this is another type of division. Look, you know the times table of 3 up to 10. That means 3 tens are 30. If we use this one 3 tens, then 1 and 2. Look here, remainder 21. Remainder 21 is too much greater than divisor 3. Remainder 21 is too much greater than divisor 3. So this is the wrong process. So first of all you have to select the first digit 5. Now how many times 3 goes to 5? 3 ones are 3. Then subtract 3 from 5, it will be 2. Now look here, the remainder 2 is smaller than divisor. Now there is another digit 1. Now bring down 1 here and it will be 21. 3 divide 21. Now read the times table of 3. 3 7s are 21 and there is no remainder after subtracting 21 from 21. So the answer is quotient (17) and remainder is 0. Now the last question, 89 divide 4. Similarly, first of all, you have to use the first digit 4 and 8. How many times 4 goes to 8? 4 twos are 8. Then subtract 8 from 8. There is no remainder, and bring the next digit 9 here. Now again 9 and 4. How many times 4 goes to 9? 4 twos are 8, and subtract 8 from 9, it will be 1. So the answer is quotient 22 and the remainder is 1. My dear students, hope you understood the process of division. Practice at your home more and more to solve this type of problem. Take care of yourself. See you soon, and till then, Allah Hafiz.